Hello relatives, welcome to this week's Schlagbyte entitled The Healing Core. In 2015, I co-founded a nonprofit organization called the Clowntown Healing Fest, a community health initiative that created public events bringing together a wide array of healthcare resources to educate people about how to stay well before they get sick. It was a practical demonstration of the future of medicine, which is in the paradigm shift from an expensive, dysfunctional, interventional medical model to a preventive one. We organized this weekend extravaganza, brought together thousands of people from the community to participate in hands-on demonstrations that ranged in everything from modern medical modalities to traditional healers, therapists of every description. There were panels, discussion, clowns, parades, and it was enthusiastically received. The day before this public event, we conducted a day-long clown healing workshop. It was for healthcare professionals, and we used clowning principles as the vehicle for how to establish meaningful connections with people in short periods of time. This would not only magnify their healing power, but also intended to restore their passion and enthusiasm for their work, many of whom were feeling disconnected from their patients and burned out from the overwhelming strain of the current bureaucracy. These clown healing workshops were also enthusiastically received. And at the end of the day, participants were certified as truth fairies. The following day at the festival, we conducted a truth clinic so that they could practice their newfound skills, and its healing impact on both the patients and the clinicians was astounding. Many of the truth fairies joined us later in conducting truth clinics in parks and fairs, homeless shelters, and the results were equally impactful. But alas, the organizational demands of running such an event were taking us away from what it is that we were doing best. Doing the workshops, training people. So we are now moving in a direction that allows us to expand our training programs and reach a wider range of community health workers and caregivers. We've gathered together a dynamic, multi-generational board of directors that is opening us up to a much wider audience. And we've changed our name, reflecting our change in focus to the Healing Core. Our tagline, sustaining the heart of health. Look us up at the Healing Core, like the Peace Corps, thehealingcore.com. See what we're doing. And join us in the continuing evolution of our vision of humanizing healthcare and promoting healing. And talking about sustaining the heart of health, I want to tell you that for me personally, these changes have intensified my passionate involvement of being in the here and now, allowing me to breathe more easily. How sweet is that? Have a great week. Reach out and touch somebody with kindness. It's the antidote to all of the dysfunction and pain that we see around us. Have a great week. I say this for all my relations. Mitakuye.